Greetings, YouTube. How's everybody doing out there on this late Sunday? It's 5:30 Sunday. It's been a decent day today. Show you my progress that I made. I pretty much got everything wrapped. You can hear it. It's quiet in here. Yeah. Get out of the way. I ran out of plastic. I thought I had enough. I had 4 rolls, but I wasn't paying attention how big the rolls were. The rolls was 9 by 12, so I didn't have enough. So, I'm either wait till I go up north and get my wood panels that I'm gonna put on here, or if I get a chance to do it a little bit sooner, I will, so I can wrap that and get that over with. It feels a whole lot better in here, guys. Let me tell you something. Installation. I found out the hard way when I was a young buck. Had my first house. Yeah, I was fixing stuff. Didn't pull an insulation out. Didn't think about putting insulation back yet. And I had a lot of draft holes everywhere in my old house. So I was like, now I know the importance of installation. Not only is it sound deadening, that's why I'm putting my compressor back here. Not only is it sound deadening, but it also, man, my shop stays warm, guys. Let me tell you, when it's this week's supposed to be in the 40s and 20s all week this week till we get to the weekend. My shop stays about 40 degrees, and if the sun comes out, and it'll warm up my shop. But check this out. Like right now, it's about 50 degrees in my shop because I cut my heater off earlier. It's about 50 degrees in my shop. And say like if it got up to 75, it'd still be 50 degrees in my shop. But on reverse, if I get hot air trapped in here and it's cooler outside, it's warmer in here than it is outside. That's weird how it works. But that's pretty much, that's where I'm at, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to call it a day today. I just had to show that to you. Oh, you can see I got a mess going on here. So I hope everybody out there has a great week this week coming up. It is Christmas week. You know, for the people that don't celebrate Christmas, that's fine. That's fine. You know what? I just, before I knew what Christmas was, I always loved Christmas. You know, and you can call it a Christmas holiday or a Christian holiday or whatever. I don't look at it like that. I just look at it the day we celebrate Jesus' birthday, because nobody really knows exactly the day he was born. If you read the Bible, it talks about he was born in the summertime, late summer. So why they chose November 25th, I have no idea. But it is what it is. I love the spirit of it. I love the season. You know, and people that don't get mad at us because we celebrate it. They should just enjoy it too, man. Get with your friends and family and hang out and, you know, play cards or something, video games or something. That's what I try to do. But I keep myself busy. And I call around. I am going to visit some family members this week. So, well, guys, I hope you have a great Christmas coming up this week. I hope Santa Claus / Jesus Christ brings you everything you want for Christmas. I know I got plenty. What he's going to bring me on top of what I already bought for myself, yeah, I got plenty. I just got a couple more things to get done. And then I'm going to work on, I got a feeling we're going to have a real bad winter this year. So the more and more time I get, the more and more better the weather stays. As long as it stays in the 40 and sunny and ground don't freeze, it gives me plenty of time to do other things, because I still want to try to get my privacy fence back there. And I'm thinking about renting a trencher so I can go ahead and trench this thing and get it prepped for electricity. But we'll see. Yep, that's my smoke alarm telling me I need a new battery. Well, I'm getting ready to go in the house, guys, get me something to eat, and I will holler at you later on. I'll probably come out here this week and start cleaning. I've been cleaning here and there, so trying to get what I need to do is move these cars around so I can just mop my whole entire floor, because I just got mud tracks everywhere. I swept most of it up, but you can still see it's got a film over it. So, well, guys, like this video, share this video, comment down below. I know it's Christmas weekend this weekend, but I'm going to probably, if I'm off Thursday or Friday, I'm going to go up Friday and get my panels for back there so I can start working on them. So I can start wrapping that thing. I'm ready to get this thing all wrapped up and start painting it, you know, and all that good stuff. So, well, guys, until the next time, y'all hang in there for the next video. Bye-bye.